guys, in this quick video I'm going to teach you how to download Netflix, YouTube, and all those main apps right here on your tablet. So let's just go into your Play Store. If you don't see your Play Store right there, just tap here on the side, bottom right hand side. Just tap right there, and then you can go from screen to screen looking for that Play Store. So in this case it's up here as well, so we're just going to tap on there, and up here we can type in anything that you guys are searching for, or sometimes you will see them down here below, the main ones that you may want, such as Netflix, YouTube, and so on. So right now, just to show you, if you don't see them there, just tap up here, and we're gonna type in Netflix, for example. So that's Netflix, and to download it, all we have to do is just click on install. That's the same thing for any app that you guys want to install. It's just from here, the Play Store, which is different than an iPhone, iPad, where you guys have the App Store. So while this is doing this, you guys can actually download other apps such as YouTube. So let's just type in YouTube. So here's all the YouTube stuff already. So you guys will see that YouTube should be installed most likely on most of your iPads. However, there's YouTube for Kids and so on. So here are the other ones. There's Studio. If you guys have a YouTube channel, that's one of those that you may want to install. Let's just go back again. And if I go into it, I'm gonna see that Netflix has already been downloaded. Then I can just go into it and just watch Netflix right here on your tablet. So one more that we're gonna download is Spotify. So let's just type in Spotify. From there, just click on install, accept, and it's gonna start downloading. So we're just gonna get out from it just by pressing this, back. And here we go. So I'm gonna launch Netflix, which is right here on the side. And there we go. Anyways, that's it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write it down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.